Today we are talking about the climate of Pakistan. Basically, climate is long-term changes in weather. Geographers divide the climate into five climates. First one is polar, next one is cold or moist climate, warm or moist climate, dry climate, and tropical climate. Pakistan is situated close to the south of equator. It is 33.66 degree north and 73.16 degree east to longitude and latitude. Pakistan's climate is usually dry, and Pakistan has four seasons. First one is spring, which is a flaming sunshine you can see on the picture, which goes from March to May. Temperature goes from 43 degrees centigrade to 49 degrees centigrade, which is highly in Fahrenheit, which is 120 degree Fahrenheit. Next one is summer, which is average rainy season, not too rainy, but it goes from June to September, and the rain goes to 81 millimeter, which is 3.18 inches. Monsoon is next one, which is a two rainy season. Sometimes it comes flood in monsoon season. It goes from October to November, which is 225 millimeter, and the rain is 8.85 inches. And the last one is winter, which is a cold weather, and you can see the snowfall, and which goes from December to February, and the temperature goes from 8 degrees centigrade to minus 4 degrees centigrade. Thank you.
We're going to talk about the Marshall Islands climate. The climate is some dry season between December and November. Rainy season lasts from April to December. The greatest rain falls between July and October. Typhoon can hit the Marshall Islands from July to middle of November and can sometimes cause heavy damage, flood, and erosion. Marshall Islands is in the north of the equator. It is 8 degrees west latitude and 170 south longitude. As you can see in my map, it shows the Marshall Islands, and the relics chain means the west, and the Rotox chain means the east. And thank you.
In Marshall Islands, there are two seasons. The dry season is between December and April. The rainy season lasts from April to December, with the greatest rainfall between July and October. Typhoon can hit the Marshall Islands from July to middle of November, and can sometimes cause heavy damage, flood, and erosion. The climate of the Marshall Islands can be classified as AF climate, a hot, humid, tropical climate with all months above 18 degrees. As you can see in my poster, there are many islands in the Marshall Island, and Marshall Island is in the southwest of Hawaii. You can plant tree in Marshall Island too.